Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken meal prep. First, select your chicken, like boneless, skinless breasts or thighs, which are great for meal prepping. Next, think about what you'll pair with it, such as roasted vegetables or a whole grain like quinoa. Planning your meals for the week helps you stay organized and ensures you have delicious, healthy options ready to go. There are several easy ways to cook your chicken for meal prep. Baking or grilling are fantastic options, offering a healthy and simple method. For super tender, shredded chicken, consider using a slow cooker. It's incredibly convenient. Remember to season your chicken well before cooking to infuse it with delicious flavor. Once your chicken is cooked, proper portioning and storage are key. Divide your chicken and sides into individual servings using airtight containers. This makes grabbing a healthy meal incredibly easy throughout your busy week. Labeling your containers with the date helps you keep track of freshness, ensuring you enjoy your meals at their best. To keep your meal prep exciting, get creative with your recipes. Think about making chicken and vegetable bowls or even wraps and salads. Don't be afraid to try new marinades and spice blends to keep things interesting and prevent flavor fatigue. When it's time to eat, reheat your meals gently to maintain their delicious texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.